To the IFL, where the Blizzard are currently 4th overall in the league standings. Green Bay going for a 4th straight win as they host the Nebraska Danger. Blizzard down in the first. They get on the board here. BJ Hill with the jet sweep, spin near the goal line for the score. 9 yards in total. Nebraska answers right back. Devontae Sapp Lynch goes untouched in the end zone from 3 yards out, and the Danger go back in front. Green Bay's ground game strikes again a bit later. Ramesis Owens mowing down defenders. He goes in from 12 yards out. The Blizzard improved to 5-2, winning 60-50.